In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Plex Media Server on PC. So here I have this article from Plex on how to actually set it up from the media server. So first you need to download the installer for Plex Media Server. If you head over to the link on the description below, you can find this and then download and run for the Plex Media Server. Now, if you're using Plex for the very first time, it should launch a browser to sign you in or create a new account. Now, with this, you just need to complete the Plex Media Server setup to configure a server and account, and it will also help you create and add media player library. With this, you just need to install the app once it's running, and after your device are connected, there's a plenty of things that you need to do. So first, right here, just download the server and install it, and then from in there, you just need to access this using the web app right here if available. If you're on the Windows, you can click on this and choose Open Plex option. You can also open this on Linux by typing right here this and then launching it onto the account that you needed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.